best imagine a place where the fundamental rules of the universe no longer behave as they should, where space twists and bends, time no longer flows normally, and light itself simply vanishes. That place exists. It is not a star, it is not an explosion, and it is not a galaxy. It is a point of absolute gravity, a cosmic abyss capable of dominating entire regions of space. Its name is Ton 618. In the mid-20th century, astronomers detected a faint blue source in a remote region of the sky. Nothing about it seemed unusual. Decades later, they realized their mistake. That light did not come from a star, but from the active core of an extremely distant galaxy, powered by one of the largest black holes ever identified. Ton 618 lies so far away that its light took billions of years to reach us. When that radiation began its journey, the universe was only just beginning to take shape. Galaxies were still forming, and space looked nothing like it does today. We cannot observe Ton 618 directly, but we can feel its presence, because its energy cuts through the cosmos like a primordial beacon. That beacon is what we call a quasar. A quasar is not a solid object, but a violent process. Matter falling uncontrollably into a supermassive black hole. Gas, dust, and plasma spiral inward, accelerating to extreme velocities. Before vanishing completely, that matter releases unimaginable amounts of energy, illuminating the universe across every wavelength. The environment surrounding Ton 618 is pure chaos. Magnetic fields stretch to their breaking point, launching jets of charged particles at speeds approaching the speed of light. These jets tear through intergalactic space for millions of light years, carrying enough energy to reshape entire galaxies. Nothing in its vicinity remains untouched. The power of Ton 618 is difficult to put into words. Its energy output surpasses that of countless stars combined. If this object existed at the center of our galaxy, its brightness would be overwhelming, dominating the sky even during the day and completely erasing the night. But the light is not the most astonishing part. At the center of the quasar lies the true protagonist, a black hole with a mass equivalent to tens of billions of suns. Its size is so extreme that it could swallow our entire solar system without even grazing its boundaries. The point of no return surrounding it, the event horizon, marks an absolute boundary in the universe. Nothing that crosses it ever comes back. Near that boundary, reality itself begins to break down. Light bends back on itself. Time stretches and slows. To a distant observer, everything near the abyss appears frozen. The universe continues to move forward, but there, time itself shatters. As radiation struggles to escape, it loses energy. Colors stretch into darker wavelengths, as if the cosmos were being slowly drained. Beyond the horizon, matter collapses toward a singularity, a point where the laws of physics lose all meaning. It is a place we still cannot truly describe. How can something like this exist? Scientists believe supermassive black holes began as tiny seeds formed in the early universe. Over time, they grew by consuming matter and merging with other cores. But Ton 618 breaks this model. Its immense size, reached so early in cosmic history, suggests unknown processes or extreme conditions that no longer exist in the modern universe. Far from being mere destroyers, objects like Ton 618 are tools for understanding the past. Their light acts as a cosmic archive, recording the composition of space over billions of years. Through them, we can study how the first galaxies formed and how the universe evolved after the Big Bang. Ton 618 is not simply a black hole. It is a boundary, a reminder of the power of the cosmos, and proof of how little we truly understand. When we observe it, we are not just looking into deep space. We are staring at the very edges of human knowledge. If you liked it, give it a like and tell me what you think in the comments.